Good morning, everybody, and we do have a breakout on the DAX. Pretty much in the US session. We'll have a look at the detail now, but this does worry me. The pattern that we're seeing at the moment on the DAX does worry me a little bit, because in my eyes that is a flag. So obviously we need to break below the low of this week so far in order for that flag to play out. Now, all the big earnings, well, the big FANG stocks start today. So Tuesday and Thursdays are your days to watch. And I just want to just check something on the weekly as well. Okay, so we kind of just, by the looks of things, retesting the highs. And that is at 17,015. Let's just say 1700 for simplicity. And we have, what is spike and channel, or is it a flag? Now, if it is a flag, doesn't mean it's going to fall to the floor. Your flag target is pretty much at 16,797 or 16,800 would be your flag target. So when we start drilling down through the time frames, we're looking for opportunities to buy. Obviously, this is an upward trend. I'm just going to get rid of the diagonals. They tend to confuse us, and we're going to put in the high of last week, which we have broken through at 16,975, and then we have another bit of structure right here at 16,934. And the buyers came in off I don't know what, to be honest. I don't really see the structure that would make sense. So these pin bars here at 16,850 would have made sense, and this tail here would have made sense. That's at 16,893, but you look, price just came back in the middle of nowhere and buyers stepped in. So don't forget to hit that like button. I am looking for longs. There's no two ways about that. The big question though is off what? So there's one more level I want to put in, and then let's just get down to 15 minutes and just see what we have. Okay, so first things first, we had a double bottom here off probably, no, it's not even a 15-minute bit of structure. So I just want to see what we came off here, because always take the opportunity to learn and to see if there's something, and I honestly don't see anything that makes any logical sense. So it does happen, but it's a double bottom, and there were levels below, so I would not have taken that, because it wouldn't have been a level. I would have been expecting another break. We then got the break through the double bottom. There's a neckline, and we didn't really come back. At neckline's at 16,900, 16,905 to be exact. So then we had all this confusion at the next level, and then when we hit the next level, came back, broke through. No real retests that were happening yesterday, but anyway, we are above the moving averages. Oscillators are starting to separate on the 15-minute. So I would be looking at 16,975 for a pullback and retest. So that's a first area to buy. Second area for me to buy would be at 16,959. I'm looking to buy, and I don't have an upside target, because let me just get to the weekly here, because the upside targets would be strong leg up, sideways, break, retest, and then you'd be looking at your upside target. So it's probably worth doing the following. So one of two things is going to happen, right? We're either going to reject this area, and somehow I just don't see that happening. I think we're going to find a base, and then we're going to to break through. So if we do break through 1700, I'd want to see price come back, test it. 15 minute, 5 minute, doesn't really matter, because it's going to give you a 50 points to 60 points, because you want your stop below these two levels, stop loss, and then I would let it run for like a 2 to 1 or a 2.5 to 1 trade before just taking profit. So 1700, then you're going to get 17050, 17100. Those are going to kind of be the levels to the upside, because this is all-time high area that you're at 17015. So either we're getting a pullback, and just at a glance, if you draw a trend line along there, we have broken that trend line, so it is possible to come back 16975, 16960. That would be the zone that I would be paying attention to for an opportunity to jump in on this. So that's kind of my view. First target is going to be the 17015 area again, but if this sideways continues like this, and then we're at the open, we break through, I'd wait for the retest of 1700 for an opportunity to buy as well. Stop below any one of these tails, below this range is formed, or here, it doesn't really matter. But I think you're going to have some kind of a squirt to the upside. And at least 17100 would probably be the medium-term target, although 17050 would be something I would be looking at. Anyway, that's kind of my view on the DAX. Watch it carefully. There's definitely something brewing for a quick buck. Hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.